Welcome to the CQC video training series. This is a spot topic video on template notes. In this fairly short video, we're going to look at template notes, and that might seem like a very obvious and simple thing. Just you can add some notes to a template, and that's good in and of itself, because you might want to remind yourself what you did in a particular template and maybe any gotchas that are involved. But actually, template notes go further than that, and we're going to demonstrate that here. And if we go back to the conditional pop-ups video, I believe it is called, we created some pop-ups where we showed how you can create reusable templates and templates that can get information from the user. Now, in order to make these practical, you have to be able to pass in information to the template so that it can be reused in various ways. And so, for instance, in the show message, we passed in a message for it to display. And for a yes-no message, we passed in a message for it to display, and then we got a yes-no answer back. And then I created another one here, which wasn't in that video. And this one is just a little bit more complicated so that we can really give a better example of why template notes are useful. So what this one does is it also passes in the text for the yes and no buttons so that you can use it for any sort of binary question, as I'm saying here, something that's one or the other. And of course, now, once you have these types of things, it would be nice when you invoke them to be able to see what is expected. So if we go back to the base template here where we invoke the yes, no, and which I've now changed to use the get binary guy, it would be nice just to know that, okay, well, we need one parameter, which is the message. We need one parameter, which is the text for the yes button, and one for the no button. But of course, in most cases, you just click this parameters button here, but this is not a built-in command. This is something that you've created. But you can get around that by actually setting the notes on the template that you're going to invoke. So if we go here to the template and we select the notes field, we can actually just type in information here. And as I said before, this could just be used for you to look at later, but it also, we can get to it from the action editor as well. So we could have some kind of standard format would be good. Maybe parameters, message to show, yes button text, no button text, returns binary choice in pop-up result. All right, so let's save that. And now if we go over here and invoke this action again, and we can now click on this, and it will show us those notes from the template. So this lets you remind yourself, or if you're creating reusable templates for someone else on your team, then they can also get this information without having to go dig up the template and look at it directly. So that's it. Pretty simple, but quite effective and useful. And you should make good use of them if you're going to create reusable templates. And we'll see you in the next video.